Well, I want to talk about vision today. I keep running into people who ask me about macular degeneration and glaucoma and cataracts, and I want everybody to get my CD called Seeing is Believing. Okay, Seeing is Believing is the CD you want, and of course you want the book Epigenetics, The Death of the Genetic Theory of Disease Transmission, because doctors want you to believe that macular degeneration is genetic and glaucoma is genetic and cataracts are genetic. Of course, none of that is true. And basically the CD is actually an apology from an eye doctor up in Salt Lake City. I was giving a lecture about 12 years ago in Salt Lake City, and the first question during the Q&A was a 35-year-old guy says, my 87-year-old grandmother is legally blind for 6 years with macular degeneration. Can I help her? He said, well, yeah, I can reverse that. And the guy jumps up in the back room and says, Wallach, you're a liar. And I said, who are you? He said, well, I'm an eye doctor, and macular degeneration is a disease of aging. You can't prevent it. You cannot reverse it, let alone take somebody who can't see, they're legally blind, and make them see again. I said, well, I'll tell you what, let's have a little wager here. If you'll give me 12 of your patients who are legally blind, I told him, and this is in front of everybody, 300 people in the audience, give me, say, 12 patients of yours that are legally blind with macular degeneration for 6, 8, 10 years. And if I could get half of them, if I could get 6 to read 20/20 after 90 days using a nutritional program, would you apologize? Well, you could get 2 out of 12. I'll apologize. The next day, he brought me a box of 27 charts. They're all people still alive, and they have been diagnosed with macular degeneration. They're all legally blind, 6, 8, 10 years. So I said, well, who's going to pay for all these supplements? He volunteered to do it. I said, okay, well, I'll tell you what. Let's take them all if you're going to pay for the supplement. He said, well, good, because I want you to fail big. And I said, does the 2 still count? He said, yeah, if you get 2 out of 27, I'll apologize. And so to make a long story short, in 90 days, all 27 could read 20/20. Only 2 of them required glasses. The other 25 didn't even require glasses. So this is better than a dinner and a glass of wine. He actually made this CD for me, tells the story. Okay? Well, every eye disease is a nutritional deficiency disease. Of course, there's some inflammation going along with it, the free radicals and all that kind of stuff. So whenever you have an eye disease, whether it's macular degeneration, glaucoma, cataracts, you need to change what you're doing, because what you're doing is what causes disease, not genetics. So no fried foods, no free radicals, no trans fatty acids, heterocyclamines, acrylamides. No processed meats with nitrates and nitrites. It means no deli slices, sandwich meat, sausage, ham, bacon, bologna, salami, pastrami. Get rid of all the inflammation. Absolutely no oils. Get rid of the inflammation. Absolutely no coconut oil, no olive oil, no margarine, mayonnaise, salad dressing, cooking, and no gluten. You got to maximize the absorption of the nutrients, so no wheat, barley, rye, or oats. All that's drop dead, including the family, the dog, the cat, the bird, the fish, spouse, mother-in-law, kids. Everybody in the household has got to be gluten-free, because of cross-contamination of the couch where everybody watches TV, the food preparation surfaces, the bed, the laundry, etc. Then they need the 90 essential nutrients appropriate for body weight, 1 dose of the Healthy Start Pack per 100 pounds of body weight to support and promote just healthy bodily functions, chemical and structural and so forth. But for macular degeneration, I like to get the antioxidant points, the auric points, above 100,000 per day. And, of course, you can do that with our triple treat chocolate, 3 of those twice a day or 2, 3 times a day. 6 of the triple treat chocolate a day gets you over 100,000. 5 of our Cell Shield RTQ capsules, R for resveratrol, T for turmeric, Q for quercetin, great antioxidants. 5 of those twice a day. That'll get you over 100,000 auric points. And again, that's to support your own immune system activity to support and promote healing. Then I want you also to get extra selenium, 3 twice a day per 100 pounds of body weight. That is to support the immune system, to support the antioxidant activities that go on in the eye. Then for glaucoma specifically, the Ultimate Daily Tablets, 3 twice a day per 100 pounds of body weight, and they're designed to support healthy blood flow through obstructed arteries in your brain, your eyes, your heart, and your kidneys, also to support healthy blood pressure and ocular pressure. That's the Ultimate Daily Tablets. And then cataracts. In the early stages, when the doctor says, you got the beginnings of cataracts, we'll look at it, and when they mature, we'll do surgery. At that stage, you can support and promote maintenance repair. There are certain stages you'll reach in which you can prevent it from advancing, but you can't make it go back to 100% normal. And then there's stages where you can't stop anything, and it's a surgical case with cataracts. So change your diet, supplement with the 90, take the extra things depending on what eye disease you have, okay? And again, all this is in this CD called Seeing is Believing. It's all in the book Epigenetics, and Epigenetics, The Death of the Genetic Theory of Disease Transmission. And I urge you, what a great present, the gift of vision. When somebody has macular degeneration and they're legally blind, you have everything to gain, nothing to lose by trying it. Can't hurt them. In fact, it's going to make them feel better because they're going to have more energy, their metabolism is going to be better. All this good stuff is going to happen. They have to do this obsessively because it's equally important to get rid of all the bad stuff. Other diet is to take the supplements to support and promote maintenance and repair. That's the hard part. People say, well, do I really have to give it that? Yeah. if you want to get well, you have to get rid of the things out of your life that cause the problems, okay? So again, the book Epigenetics, The Death of the Genetic Theory of Disease Transmission. Don't forget the CD, Seeing is Believing. That CD will blow your mind. What a great apology this eye doctor gave me. Again, I thought he was going to give me a dinner and a glass of wine and just be a private apology. But it turns out that millions every year get to listen to his apology and learn how to take care of their eyes.